You can safely add air to a flat aerosol spray can if you use the right tools and follow careful procedures. Start with a tubeless tire valve inserted into the aerosol can valve so you have a controlled access point to pressurize the can. Use a tire inflator that has a locking chuck and a built-in pressure gauge so you can attach it firmly and monitor pressure while you add air. Set your target pressure well below the original rated fill and add in short bursts. A small pancake-style air compressor with a regulator is ideal because it delivers steady, compressed air and lets you limit pressure precisely. Keep the compressor set to a low pressure, like 20 to 30 pounds per square inch, and never exceed what the can label implies if known. Always wear nitrile gloves and safety glasses, and consider hearing protection if the compressor is loud, because a ruptured can or sudden release can cause sharp fragments and loud noise. Work in a well-ventilated outdoor space away from open flames and ignition sources, since many aerosol propellants are flammable and a leak could create an explosive atmosphere. Before you attach anything, inspect the can for dents, rust, or punctures. If the can shows any structural damage, do not attempt to refill it and dispose of it according to local hazardous waste rules. Common mistakes include overpressurizing the can, which can cause rupture, so keep your compressor regulator set low and add air slowly while watching the gauge. Another problem is using a poor connection that leaks or pops off under pressure, so use a quality locking tire, inflator, chuck, and check the seal with a soapy water spray before pressurizing. If you see bubbles, stop and reseat the connection. A third frequent issue is working near ignition sources or in confined spaces, which risks fire or inhalation, so always work outdoors or in a ventilated area, keep sparks and flames well away, and avoid breathing any mist by stepping back during and after pressurization. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for projects that require safe handling of pressurized containers and tools, and helps contractors find work by connecting them with nearby clients looking for practical and services. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from each other about safe do-it-yourself practices and tool recommendations.